Turn away from that camera side. Okay, so our goal today is to take off the what's
Here,
it called?
here we had the speaker and the vibrator.
Vibrator. Okay, so the speaker and the vibrator, we both devices we took it off,
Yeah.
but the speaker is, unless you zoom it, nobody can see it. Okay, hold it. Even me, I like seeing before doing it,
Yeah.
and you can go super close to find out which one is speaker, which one is
The vibrator.
vibrator. Get closer a little bit. You guys
Yeah.
can see it, right?
Yeah.
Keep it there. Keep it one place so it doesn't move, so everyone can see it. So these two on this side are there for the speaker, minus and plus, and the plus and minus for the
Mouthpiece.
mouthpiece.
Yeah.
So we know that on this side is a minus and on that side is also minus.
Yeah.
So the middle two are plus.
Plus, yeah.
So let's now get to the speaker and how we're gonna place it there.
It's not that one.
Yeah?
Not that one. There we
Okay,
had
the
this.
mouth, the speaker is right here.
Yeah, and the mouthpiece is here also.
Okay, got you. Okay, move it a little bit back now. I know we are not gonna be 100%
Yeah.
showing every piece, but let's try, okay? So we know the positive is this middle one.
Yeah.
Okay. We're working on a space that is really super small. Okay, let's go ahead and find. Okay. When you're doing this work, don't move it right away, because when it is, when it has not dried, or it can easily come off. So now I'm gonna do, I have done the positive side of the speaker. I'm gonna do, go that way. Get your camera closer and zoom a little bit. Yes, now you can concentrate. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay, I wish I could do. I'm not lefty.
Right and left.
I want to try doing with the left.
Yeah.
So let me just. I hope I don't burn myself. I'm not comfortable doing with the left.
Yeah.
If you hold the cable far away, you can easily you can easily miss this
Yeah.
your target. So you gotta get closer, and at the same time be careful, don't burn yourself. Okay. I gotta do with my right hand. I'm not very comfortable. Okay, do with the left. Are you close? Can you see it? I get far away.
Yeah. There I can't.
Okay. It's not hard, but you just need to be patient when doing this work. Okay, what else?
The mouthpiece.
The mouthpiece. So the instructor needs this part, this spare part, and I remember the positive was on this side, right? Are they gonna face up or face down? Yeah, because the wires will guide you. So I got that in, and I'm gonna do the positive, negative.
Negative.
So
Yeah.
okay, we got that.
Yeah.
And what else? We're done today. How to put that And how to take them off is just the same way.
Yeah.
But I will allow the instructor to do it. And that's the way to read Arabic, okay? That's another instructor. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and remove it. Use this. So the instructor will be removing it. He's using, see, he's taking it out. And he took the other one off. Great. At least we know how to remove these tiny cables from a device to another device.
Yeah.
That's it. I think we're done for the day.